Welcome to yet another episode of History in the Baking. Today we're going to sample 3 different recipes from 3 different, well, they're not all cookbooks, but from 3 different sources, let's say. And the first comes from a 1950 issue of Sunset magazine. Tell us what we're going to try first, Chef Jenna.
Peanut potato salad.
Not peanut potato salad. Can you all see how decorative and festive that peanut potato salad looks? The perfect addition to June 18th, which is National Picnic Day, or your 4th of July family picnic. You'll be shocked to learn that it's crunchy. That probably has something to do with all the peanuts in it. You know, if it was me, I might have a little more salt on it, but this is a really, really good potato salad. So don't take this one away when we're done filming. All right, let me just have one more bite and then we'll move on to the next recipe. Those Sunset magazine people. They know their recipes. Okay, well now we're going to move on from the peanut potato salad from Sunset magazine to a recipe taken from 100 years of California cooking that appeared in the Oakland Tribune, the late great Oakland Tribune, in 1949.
Ooh, meatloaf.
Meatloaf. Reminds me of a Frank Zappa joke, which we can't say here on History in the Baking. Oh, this is the perfect, look at how flaky and moist this meatloaf is. That's pretty good. I can assure you, hang on, let me just avoid choking. It'd be bad for the ratings, you know. I can assure you, I've had significantly worse meatloaf than this. This is very tasty. And so, whoever supplied this to the 1949 Oakland Tribune is probably long dead, but you know, they have a pretty tasty meatloaf recipe. Yummy. So now we're going to move on to dessert. Dessert comes to us through the redoubtable Aunt Sammy's Radio Recipes Revisited. Aunt Sammy, as you may recall, supplied some of the first recipes we sampled here on History in the Baking. She's also married to Uncle Sam, and the two of them had a terrific radio show which included recipes from Aunt Sammy. What we're about to try now is election cake. Which used to have a more martial theme. It used to be mustard cake, M-U-S-T-E-R. And so it's something festive to have when you enjoy voting day. So Jenna, let's see if it lives up to its billing.
Election cake.
Oh, I don't know. Does that look festive to you? You know, don't tell anyone, but I think this would be a lot more festive if there was a giant Everest-sized mountain of whipped cream on top. Or I would settle out for some delicious ice cream, or maybe even a little stracciatella gelato. But based on our experience here on History in the Baking with Aunt Sammy, I'm sure it's delicious just the way it is. Well, I was wrong. It's just me, but I find that anything that includes raisins inside of it to be an abomination. It's not raisins?
Not raisins.
Okay, there's something wrong with, there's something wrong inside of this recipe.
Made it specially raisin-free.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, I'm told it's raisin-free and I'm just making it up.
Dates, figs, and prunes.
What are these things?
There's dates, figs, and prunes.
dates, figs, and prunes. You know, I would have enjoyed Aunt Sammy's election cake without the dates, figs, and prunes. And I apologize, though, for thinking that they were raisins. Again, like a giant mountain of whipped cream, I think, and I could gut it out maybe a little easier. But well, this concludes our latest installment of History in the Baking, and I'm looking forward to, advisedly, whatever we try on our next episode. But thank you, Chef Jenna. Thank you to our culinary artists who created these meals for us. And we'll see you next time. History in the Baking.